Welcome to my video, by any idiot. Today, we're excited to share our solution for venting fumes from the Creality laser engraver. This alternative to a traditional indoor fume extractor helps you safely direct unpleasant odors and dangerous fumes outside, keeping your workspace fresh and your projects enjoyable. Print in the filament that best suits your environment. I used PLA gray as the vent will not have any direct sunlight. I also used 15% infill, but you can adjust as needed for your project. Use caulking under the external flange to seal out all moisture to prevent water intrusion. The file includes an inside trim plate to finish it off properly and make it look nice. After you have secured the inside flange, you need to attach the vent tubing. You can use the clamp of your choice to hold it in place. The clamp may not need to be used as it is a very tight fit on the vent tube. I used a black zip tie to secure mine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. YouTube.com/@any-idiot.
But at least you got a story when you're sitting around here. So here's to the dreamers who blaze their own trail with dirt on their boots and a heart that won't fail. Yeah, we know it ain't perfect, but we give it our all. Life's a wild ride, and we're gonna stand tall. You can mock or you can cheer, it's all in the game. But I'd rather live bold than be stuck in the same. Any idiot can do that, give it a try. But it takes a fool to dance under the sky. Talking big game, like you're all that. But when it comes down to it, any idiot can do that. So next time you think it's easy, just step on back. 'Cause life's always twisted, it's never off track. Raise your glass to the fools who know how to act. 'Cause any idiot can do that, that's a plain fact.